Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If your DISM scan is not working, then watch this video to find the solution. First thing we need to do is check the internet speed because DISM scan is an online scan. DISM checks with the online version and repairs your system. So we need to open the browser and we need to go to a site like fast.com. You can use any site to check the internet speed, but I would prefer using fast.com, and then I enter fast.com and it will show me the speed here. Now this is 190 MB per second, but your speed should be above 20 MB per second. If it is below 20 MB per second, it might be the reason why DISM scan is not working, and you need to contact your internet service provider to rectify your internet connection. The second thing we can do is we need to refresh the DISM tool. For that, we will copy these commands. You will find these commands in the description of the video below. Just copy these commands and you will have to post them in command prompt. So we'll look for command prompt in the search bar, right click on command prompt and then click on run as administrator. And then just copy these commands here and press enter. And this should refresh your DISM tool and it should start working. If it doesn't work, then we need to run two scans. We'll open command prompt, right click on it and then click on run as administrator. The first command will input is sfc space slash scannow and press enter. I'm not pressing enter here because it will take quite some time and it will extend the length of this video. The next command we need to input is chkdsk space slash f space slash r and press enter. Then we need to press Y and press enter, and we need to let the scan run. Now if these solutions did not fix the DISM scan and the DISM scan is still not working or is stuck midway, then we can disable the antivirus and the malware protections. So we'll do that by looking for virus and threat protection. We'll go to virus and threat protection here. Now folks, if you're using a third party antivirus or an anti-malware, say an antivirus like Kaspersky, Norton or McAfee, or a anti-malware software like Malwarebytes, then it will show you here that you're using a third party software. You need to go to the third party software and then disable it from the settings panel there. But since I'm using the default pre-installed Windows virus and anti-malware protection, so I will go to manage settings and then I will click on off, real time protection off, and I will run the DISM scan. An important word of caution here folks, once you are finished with the DISM scan and it finishes completely, it's working, then you need to turn this on again, because if you don't and you keep the computer running without this in the on mode, then there is a good chance that you will get some virus in your computer and which will cause you huge issues. Now the next thing we need to do is switch off the firewall also. So for that I will look for firewall in the search box and I will click on Windows Defender Firewall. Then I will click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on and off, and I will turn off and turn off, and then I will run the DISM scan. So turn off both antivirus and firewall and run the DISM scan. And again, once you finished with the DISM scan, then you need to make sure that both of these are turned on, because you can get infected with some nasty virus or some nasty malware which can cause you a lot of problems. Now finally, if none of these solutions work, then you have to do a system restore to a previous date and time. So we'll do that by searching for recovery. Click on recovery, click on open system restore. And then we will click on recommended restore, or we can choose a different restore point and then click on next. and then click on finish, and the system will restore to a previous date and time. Now if nothing works, then we need to do a cloud reset of the computer. For that we will go to, right click on the start button, go to settings, click on system, and then look down here for recovery, and then click on reset PC, click on remove everything. Now folks, before you click on remove everything, make sure that all your personal data and applications which you require are backed up on an external hard drive. Just copy them, all your personal data, to an external hard drive, because this will delete everything in the computer and make the computer just like it was brought brand new. So click remove everything, and then click on cloud download, click on next, and it will install a fresh version of Windows in your computer, and you should be rid of this problem, and DISM scan should work. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.